All right, what we're doing for Chad Burke, he wanted to see 40-yard patterns from the 940 Mossberg and the Remington 870, both with the Indian Creek 680, shooting the 1 ounce Coyote Fever number 3s. These are 1,450 feet per second shells, and we're gonna see if we can hit dead on now with this. I've done some adjustment on the 940 Pro with the Burris Fast Fire E. This particular one's a red dot, and all the others I got are green dots. I love the green dot more so than that there. I can easily pick out anything in the woods, whether it's bright or dim, even in sunlight. So we're gonna shoot this right now. We're gonna shoot the right target with the Mossberg. We're gonna shoot the left target with the 870, and then we're gonna go look at the patterns, see what we got at 40. That's gonna be good. Ah, it smells good. All right, let's go look and see what we got at 40. Shot number 2, the 940. Did the adjustment. Now we're gonna see if we're dead on. That looks good. That is a good looking pattern. I need to drop it back down just a hair, but I need to shoot that at 80 yards and see where it's at on there now. All right, shot number 3 with the 940 with the Coyote Fever, 1 ounce, 1,450 feet per second out of this little Mossberg 940. Shot that thing a little bit high, but dead center now at 40 yards. We're gonna shoot at 60 yards up in the woods. I don't know if you can see it or not. I'm gonna try and get it in the camera frame as I shoot this, and hopefully you'll be able to see the pattern hit it. A little bit far for a cell phone, but let's try it. That's not gonna do it. All right, here we go. 60 yards in the woods. Let's see if we can't hit it. And you see the pattern before I do. Okay, shot number 4 with the 1 ounce Coyote Fever number 3s, Mossberg 940, Indian Creek 680. This is gonna be 60 yards from the end of the gun barrel in the woods. The last shot that I did, it hit a branch that was hanging down. A lot of the pattern hit that. You can probably see it in the video when I show it. So I got that cleared out of the way. Got this adjusted a little bit more. Let's see what we'll do. Let's go see what we got. All right, that's the 40 yards. Let's see what we got for 60. I could adjust that down just a little bit more. That's pretty well ate up at 60. I need to shoot this at 80 and 100 next. I'll have to do that in an open field. Well, there you have it. Short barreled Mossberg 940 Pro, Indian Creek 680. Again, Coyote Fever 1 ounce, number 3s, 1,450 feet per second. Shooting 60 yards, 40 yards, showing that it is a viable Coyote shell that's a lot cheaper than the standard ounce and 7/8, and it's going to get the job done. Doesn't matter if it's open field or in a woods, it's going to get it. Hope you guys like it. Hope you guys use it. Tag Foxtrot when you do. I appreciate it. Hopefully bring you some more content here soon to the 1.25 ounce loads. We're going to shoot those next. Coming soon.